Puerto Escondido, fantastic food here. It's a real place in Mexico. Huaca, this is a secret spot. Puerto Escondido, that's Huaca. Huaca.
Mezzaluna Beach.
We're in Santa Sabina. I don't know how to pronounce it. What? Huaca. We're in Santa Sabina for Polpo. Puerto Escondido, that's Polpo. I'm your Octopus Eater, Polpo Pinata. We're gonna have fava bean like you've never tasted, and we'll watch Mirko making it for Polpo. Mwah! How many times? Well, wow, yeah. 20 minutes now.
Si arriccia il polpo e poi si butta dentro l'acqua, come si fa a fare?
Colour is just wonderful. Pinata, it's pinata, isn't it? I'm going to eat all of you.
Now this is what it's all about.
Fava bean.
Now this one is really my most favourite octopus dish here. Melts in your mouth. Don't miss it. Smash delish.
All of me. Why not take all of me?
Friends, food, and fun.
Puerto Escondido.
Next time,
We're wine tasting in the countryside.